Scalping strategy 2-minute time frame. See this shaded zone? When purple and the blue dotted line are above, we take these red signals. And we're really looking for the first red candle. That's it. Simple as that. Sell on that P, which is a P for pulse. Close 60% at 1R and trail the rest until you see that signal, which means you could probably take more off your position and then fully close it on that signal right there. That's it. P, sell, stop. You've got little red dots. You could follow the little red dots. That's your stop loss there on the little red dot. There's a little red dot here. That would have been your stop loss. It's very simple. As long as the blue dashed line is above and you are below this, and this dashed line is red, you're looking for sell opportunities. And you close 60% at 1R, and that's where you close your position down there on that dot. Right, you ignore any green signal. So you're waiting for this to come all the way back up to the top of this shaded zone. That's it. And you need to wait for a signal, okay? There's a signal flashing there, but it didn't stick. And you got to wait for the next red candle. We don't have that. So you would ignore any of this. This is just a stop run. Okay, hold it there. Short on that first red candle. All right, 1R, you've secured 60% already. And then that blue dot down there is where you can actually close your trade if you want to. Or secure more of your position, stop loss down, so that no matter what happens, it's in the money, and just keep going. So this shaded zone is what you're looking for, especially when the red line is above, the blue line is above, and you got that purple line above as well. Oh, hold it here. I forgot. There's your red signals, your first red. This is still running. There you go. I'll just throw the candles in there. So while these candles are red, I mean, if you've only just closed partial profits, you'd stay in that and just manage it until possibly if you see a white candle or something like that. Yeah, you would exit on the first white candle. What this FD is, it's just telling you that it's faded back into the shaded zone. Let's just hold it here. There's no white candles actually, so you would most likely stay in that until these down in here. And that's a nice outcome. That's what, 7, nearly 8R. So this is now going into price discovery. So we've broken out. This is the range we've broken out of here. Well, actually, if you didn't close there, there's another one, right? 10R. So you could stay in this until you see a white candle if you like. So there's no white candle until there. If we go to a bar chart, see how they're all red until that white candle kicked in about there. So, I mean, if you didn't close down there on that blue dot, you'd want to be exiting on that white candle. And look, the markets are very volatile. They are heavily manipulated. So this is as close as we can get to institutional trading. We're following these lines, the red dotted, the blue dotted, the red dashed, I should say. You're just following these, okay? If we are under the red dashed, and the blue dotted or the blue dashed is trending down, you're going to be looking at when it breaks out of this range and it fades back in, first red candle, targeting halfway through the range, first up, and then the bottom of the range, second, and using the indicated dots and everything to get you out. You ignore any of the green signals. Now, if it was the other way around and this dashed line was green, well, then you'd only be looking for green signals. Just to let you know, there's 8 hours left. You'll be able to snap this up for $29.95 per month. After today, it goes up to $49.95. You can see what's available, the indicators, my trade signals, ongoing mentorship videos. I'll let you do the math. Make this back on your first trade, seriously. Just so you know. I'm posting daily trade signals, ideas in here that you can copy. This one is simply wait for the next buy signal and take the trade. This is what you get. There's the next buy signal. That's where you took the trade. close partials at 1R. Our indicators give you everything. And if you watch my mentorship videos, you'll know exactly what you need. There's plenty of time to take these trades. I post them in beforehand, and they're usually available for the London and the New York sessions. And there's also Telegram signals with exact levels. So you can set up auto copy with that if you like. With the world situation, with the geopolitical stuff and AI and whatnot, this is an opportunity now for you to secure this and make a difference. Okay, there's 8 hours left for the discount. So with that, join us, guys. Join us on this journey and benefit from what we have here. Have a great day and see you in the next one.